okay. It's okay. No problem. It's okay. We don't have any problem. Watch out.
Entertainment part of it. Now we welcome our Geometrical Primary School for a piece of entertainment. Please, Mali.
Our guest of honor, First Lady, Madam May. This is an item that they are going to present. This is an item which was performed before the President of the Republic of Kenya. This school is one of the best in Kenya. They are going to present an item in quotes mwewe, hawk, which talks about mwewe, wale ambao wanakula vifaranga. So maybe to get in Kiswahili, MCA will give you the details of this item. This is the best item was produced in nationals from our school here, Yonsel. So we have got an honor to present it to you so that you can also see what we presented to our president during our music festival. Welcome, Yonsel.
section. Please, a short one from the secondary section. A short one from the secondary section. Ombi, please welcome. Ombi, headed by Okondo, please welcome. Save our time. Thank you very much. Yours regards kwa ombi lenu. Your Excellency, our First Lady of time, I'd like to welcome Mr. Nyandondi. Please.
Our guest of honor, the First Lady, Madam May Kwamboka Arati, the governor of Kisii County. Talking is Mr. Nyandondi Isaac, the head teacher, primary. Please, teachers, can you come here so that I can do a very brief introduction? Very brief, please, hurry up. It is a comprehensive school whereby we have junior secondary and primary and ACT. Is Mr. Anthony Dennis Akunga, the deputy, Madam Stera Ondieki, and Isaac Nyandondi, the head teacher of the institution. A very brief introduction. Where are you? Can you stand? There. Please wave. You know we are really constrained with time. Please bear with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Malema, from the primary section. Madam Eunice, please invite our principal.
All protocols observed. Good afternoon. I'm Eunice Nyangena, the Deputy Geometrical Girls. I want to invite our principal to come and give a speech. And maybe Papa Divas, girls of substance. Yes, we are. Our First Lady, Her Excellency, Madam May Kwamboka, area MCA on Jacob Pagaka and your team, the accompanying visitors, students, and the board of management. Good morning. Good morning. Briefly, I want to introduce my staff. Come in front, very fast. Because of time, and we are many, I wish we can salute to the guest of honor as we sit down. Thank you. Members of the board who are present.
Okay. Our First Lady, the MCA, other visitors, good morning. These are the board members who are able to be here. Some of them, they are not around here. Now, for example, our chair, that is Professor Bagaka, is busy somewhere. The CHU was very tight, therefore he could not be here, but is aware of this function. Welcome. Now, from here is Madam Dolce Ayenda, signatory, James Ototo, SIC chair, Evans, a board member, and I'm also Evans Village, academic chair and vice chair for board. Asante.
Thank you. We have our support staff. Some of them are there. You can wave to the visitors. Thank you. Because of time, I want to take this opportunity to welcome the area MCA.
How are you? We are fine. Which school is this? Geometrical. And the primary is also there? Yes. one thing that I've realized is that we are very beautiful people here, and ile shairi ambayo tumekaririwa hapa from the primary section wameongea juu ya mwewe. Ni faranga na mwewe ni wale wanaume wako huko nje, so don't allow them to take you mpaka mbali shule, si ndio? That's very important because you are school and what you do here. And someone once said that it could be very difficult today, and even tomorrow will be more difficult, but the day after tomorrow will be better. But shida tuko nayo mingi kama wanafunzi huko kumambi maragoba utarai kama ambiende, so you need to survive. Sasa, so you have to work very hard and ensure that this year, you know what I've done is that the first lady, this is the first school she's coming to in Bobasi constituency. And among the many schools that I have, I chose you. I chose Geometrical Secondary School. And that shows you how much I love this particular school. Sindio? And I'm expecting that this particular year, you are going to perform better. And that now I will bring the governor himself. Sindio? Mukifanya bidii, hii muda ambayo imebaki si kidogo sana. You can work very hard. Usilale usiku sana, dormitory iko na power, you sit there, unaweka miguu kwa basin, you read and do revision. When we are in school, hatuko tunalala, then you make good grades, I bring you the governor of this particular school. I want to take this opportunity to thank Her Excellency, Madam May, who is the First Lady of Kisii County, and she's been very gracious. Kwa hii ward, hii ni mara yake ya pili. Mwezi uliopita, mwezi wa 8, nilikuwa nimemleta pia pale ng'ambo, mali inaitwa Riyabo. Tukasaidia wamama kutafuta pesa ili waweze kufanya ukulima kidogo kidogo hapa kutafuta school fees. Na leo tena amerudi hapa Geometrical kwa sababu ya kuwapatia encouragement. Kwa sababu you are girls. Hata yeye ni msichana. Si ndio? She's a lady. So ameona ni vizuri akuje kuwatembelea. Amefanya vibaya? And another thing, unajua ametoka huko China. When you are learned, unaweza akapata bwana governor. So hata wewe ukifanya bidii utapata bwana mzuri. Ukifanya hivi ama kulimalia, you'll get a bad man. So you have to work very hard. You have to work very hard. Now commit yourself. So Your Excellency, I don't want to take much time. These girls here, they spoke very softly here when they were doing that poem. And I know you don't understand Kiswahili very well. You do. Now I want to interpret it for you so that they can hear. They said that since you love girls, that as good as this school looks like this, they are very beautiful, they have nice uniforms, but they don't have a bus. You can imagine. So we need to work so that we can do a fundraiser and try to buy them a bus. Sindio? So principal, you try and work on that. We can have a fundraiser so we can raise and have a bus for this beautiful school. Na wale watoto wa primary ambayo made us very proud. Kama mimi MCA wenu na Deputy Speaker wa Kisii, wakati niona watoto wa Geometrical wakipresent kule State House, I was so proud. Waenda State House before hata mimi nifike huko. I felt so nice that these children from this very poor background here at home mashinani, they could meet the president and actually present to them. It was very nice. So I am looking at an opportunity to also reward you in a small way. Siniwanunulie kitu kidogo. Nitawapatia 20,000. Ile waende pale na wao wa celebrate your performance. Na nyinyi secondary school, sababu mmeni promise you are going to work very hard, madam, I'll give you 30,000 wanunulie ng'ombe. So that muchienjoy kidogo but mfanye bidii. Sawa? Very good. Now I want to invite my colleagues. Sijakuja peke yangu. Being a girls school, we have ladies who are leaders. Ambaye wako pale bunge, wanatengeneza mswada ya kutengeneza hii county yetu, and they are working with us in the county assembly of Kisii. But sitawa introduce, madam mwenyewe atawa introduce. Wacha mimi ni introduce wanaume. Si ni sawa? Madamu mwenyewe ataleta wale ambao wamekuja na sisi ambao tunafanya nao kule Kisii County Assembly. I want to invite Mheshimiwa Machuki. Mheshimiwa Machuki ni MCA wa Bogetaurio. Mnajua Bogetaurio hapa ng'ambo? Kuna watoto ambao wametoka Bogetaurio wakakuja hapa. Very good. Sasa Mheshimiwa Machuki, come and say a word. He is the chairman for agriculture.
Her Excellency the First Lady, honorable MCAs who are with us today, this is not my day, but I wish I will say one thing to these students. First of all, I've been impressed by the uniform, madam. Jipigie makofi uniform sawa. I'm equally impressed by the performance of the primary school. Jipigie makofi pia. Now to the candidates. I wish you the best.
Thank you.
And I want to tell you there is nothing impossible. The word impossible exists in the dictionary of fools. You get that? I also want to give you a leakage. Right answers only.
Huyo ni mwalimu. Mheshimiwa Machuki was a principal. Ndiye akachaguliwa kuwa MCA baada ya kuwa principal. Though he knows about schools. Mheshimiwa Honorable MCA for Nyacheki and the chairman for Bobasi MCS. Kuna wale ambao wametoka Nyacheki? Mheshimiwa wenu ndio huyu.
Hello. Hello. I'm Naftali Ukoba, the MCA elect from Nyacheki ward. As you can see, I am a very happy member of County Assembly because I have met with beautiful girls. I have met with beautiful girls who are performing here and were able to visit State House even before I went there. Can you clap for them? Can you also clap for those girls who humbly requested for school bus? Imagine, that is a very humble request, and Her Excellency Mayor seated there has grasped that information. And she will take it, plus you are able, member of County Assembly, plus us, we come to this venue to fundraise. How many are welcoming us? Tell us we come like this. Thank you very much, Your Excellency First Lady. This is a wonderful job that you are doing. You are showing our county that the ladies also have power. Can you clap for that? You are touching the lives of these young kids. In future, they will be leaders like us and any other leaders in this world. Finally, for those who are sitting for the national exams, we wish you well.
While Onkoba was also a teacher. Because you see time is moving, we want the First Lady to take her time. Mheshimiwa Moracha, who is the majority leader, mpigie makofi. Oromo keko mbwese miaka. He's very young, he's younger than me, but he's a majority leader for Kisii County Assembly. You think he's not? He's younger than me. Mheshimiwa Moracha.
Your Excellency, the First Lady, wanafunzi wa Geometrical Girls na wasalimu hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Your Excellency, I don't want to take a lot of time because today is your day. I'm Moracha Henry, MCA Basi Central. Kuna watu wangu hapa? Wako wapi? Muko? Ni sawa, tutasalimiana. Ile mimi ningependa kuambia candidates first, I wish you all the best. Thank you. Wameimba nyimbo hapa mbele, gavana angekuwa hapa leo wangepata basi. Yaani, lakini mwenzake yuko hapa, anaweza ongea maneno, ajua mwanamke ndio kila kitu. Na akisema amefanya nini? Amesema. Yaani, sijui kama ni Kiswahili na mchanganya kidogo, angesikia vile mliimba, mkagusa roho za watu hapa. Hata mimi nilichanganyikiwa nitoe basi wapi. Kwa hivyo, one day I pray to God that you find an opportunity to sing the same song before His Excellency the President. And Your Excellency the President, you can give to the primary people ambao wamefanya hapa. We have a Mashujaa Day. Unajua wao ukisema wakuja kuperform kwa governor watakuja. Kwa hivyo hilo ndilo ombi langu, kuwa wewe wapatie nafasi hao wanafunzi wakuja kuperform before the governor, wamuonyesha ile kitu walichukua State House. Asante, Mungu awabariki. Na kwa vile ndugu yangu ni rafiki yangu, ile mkata alitoa nitatoa shilingi 10,000 ili na mimi nimchangie kidogo.
Asante sana. I want to wish you the very best in your upcoming exams. Both watoto ambao wako pale grade 6, wale ambao wako grade 8, ambao ni the entire ward, na nyinyi wote ambao mko form 4. Please pray hard, work hard and trust in the Lord, and you'll be successful. Sindio? And now I don't want to take much time. Mheshimiwa Ngoba, something. Mheshimiwa, nilikuwa nataka kumsikia mbali sana. Ananikumbusha, but I thought I will bring him later, but it's okay. Mheshimiwa Richmond Manani, where did you go? Unajua amekaa huko na wananchi. As he comes forth, I want to recognize the members of the community I'm seeing here. Mheshimiwa John, let's be very fast.
Amazangu tena. Nataka mwanafunzi mmoja wa kidato cha 4. Ndio huyo hapa. Haya, nakuuliza tu swali alafu pokea zawadi, mimi niketi. Wewe ngoma ni ya kana ipi kwa lugha ya Kiswahili? Kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Zambara? Ni vile mmejibu wengi, lakini nilikuwa nimempa yeye swali. Sawa. Haya, lakini hata hivyo nitakupa mkate. Haya, sasa nafikiri mnaambiwa ya kwamba mko tayari kwenda kupita mtihani. Wangapi watapita mtihani kwa mkono? Sasa vile tumekuja hapa, tumekuja kuwasalimiana, kuwajua. Kwa majina yangu mimi najulikana kama Manani Richmond, ni mwakilishi ya kata ya Bugeka kutoka eneo wakilishi bunge ya Kitutu Chache Kusini. Mimi wangu ni kuachia, pia mimi ni mkaaji, nilikuwa mkaaji wa hapa hii, lakini mimi ndio shule tangu jadi, ni shule ya bidii na inapitisha watoto, si ndio? Wewe unatakiwa kila mahali msome kwa bidii na Mungu awabariki.
And now want all of us. Mnajua kupiga makofi? Hebu tayarisha makofi, tumuite first lady. 1 2 3. Tena funga kai. Very good, thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon once more. Before I speak, I want to introduce the nominated MCS who has come with me. You can come forward. All of them the fair ring. Have you seen they are beautiful? Yes. Are we many? No. When you grow up, do you want to be a leader? Yes. Like them? Yes. Isn't it? Yes. Now I want to only give 2 people to speak, which we will give Mheshimiwa Daimaris and Mheshimiwa Ninian. She's a lecturer. I'm good at something. Go back.
Wasichana hai. Wasichana habari yenu? Are you happy?
Yes.
Good girls. Sasa nataka niwaulize kitu moja. Kitu gani? Moja. Mumevaa nguo za papo. Sa nini? Papo.
Nani atasimama tu mara moja aniambie what purple symbolizes? Inamaanisha nini kara ya purple? Simama usiongee. Kuja, come. Mbio. Yeah, unasema 3. 1.
Love. 2. I know only one. Rich.
Wote hata nitawaambia majibu. Nitawapea pesa kidogo. Papo inamaanisha hivi. Ya kwanza royalty. Ya pili inamaanisha spirituality. Ya tatu inamaanisha wisdom. Inamaanisha vitu ngapi? Sasa katika hii kampeni yetu mtanipigia makofi baadaye, si ndio? Because nimewafunza kitu, unavaa nguo yenye ujui, si ndio? So jua vitu 3 venye unatangaza wewe kama msichana wa Geometrical. Sasa wacha niwaambie hivi. Vile mnaambiwa mtie bidii, as you continue working hard girls. Wasichana, wacha niwaambie. Chunga mwili yako. Chunga nini? Mwili yako. Tena nawaachia vitu 3 kuongezea meaning of the color of the uniform you are wearing. 3 things. 1, fear God. Take care of your body. 3, work hard. Mumesikia? Mungu awabariki sana. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you? We are fine. My name is Lillian Sandona. I come from Bomachoge Barabo constituency. I've been a lecturer for a long period of time, in fact more than 10 years. For those who are going to sit for the Form 4 examination, I want to give you a secret on how you can be able to pass your examination. You can't pass your examination without doing what? Without revising. At least make sure you get the next papers for the last 5 years. If at all is biology, make sure you get the biology paper for the past 5 years and you go through. Where you are not understanding, make sure you see to your teachers. You can't pass exam without revising, without doing consultation with your teachers. Those who are going to sit for the examination, I wish you all the best. Mubarikiwe sana.
The 2 girls had come to answer questions. Moshmo has brought you something. Come. So you clap for them. I want to do a small introduction I'm giving you their names. Moshmo Brenda, single. Come from Moshmo Isabella, Moshmo Mama Sanaya, Moshmo Grace Ongwai, Moshmo Gaudensia, Moshmo Ruth, another single one. Moshmo Fanis, Moshmo Brenda again, single. Moshmo Ege, Moshmo Rabera, Moshmo Evanin, Moshmo Niams, Helen. You know these 2, right? Have you seen those beautiful ones? They're all single. Yes. Why are they single? They are having their time to wait for the right person to come. You girls, your time has not come. Your time right now is going to school, finish your exam, go to university, and change your life. Don't see people around here you think is the right man. Right now, you are not going to get married. You will just be wasted. Are you agreeing with me? Yes. Don't be wasted. I'm here today with greetings from the Governor Simba Arati. How many of you love Governor Simba Arati? Thank you. When you go home, please say hi to your parents and tell them Governor Simba Arati has also said hi to them. And I'm here also brought you the gifts for the candidates. And Governor said he wishes all of you success in the exams. Thank you. And he has also made a promise. If all of you pass exams, he will come and slaughter for you a cow. And before I give you the gifts, because the MCS promised money for you, isn't it? Yes. I want to collect for you the money before they run away. Mheshimiwa Bagaka search all his pockets so that the money can be enough. This is 10,000 from Mheshimiwa Moracha, the majority leader. The 20,000 from Mheshimiwa Bagaka. Who else have promised? Mheshimiwa Richmond. Mheshimiwa Lafta, 5,000. Mheshimiwa Machuki, 5,000. Mheshimiwa Richmond, 5,000. Now, I have 20,000 from Mheshimiwa Bagaka for the primary school. And I've added him 20,000 from the same primary school. Wow! Whom do I give this money to? The head teacher. Wanimu. Make sure school. I have 30,000 from Mheshimiwa Bagaka, 5,000 from Mheshimiwa Okombo, Machoki, yes, and 5,000 from Mheshimiwa Richmond, 10,000 from Mheshimiwa Moracha, and and 5,000 from Mheshimiwa Okomba, and I've also added 20,000. I can see you are delighted. Yes. Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy with the Governor Simba Arati? Yes. Now tell me Simba Netaya. Simba Netaya. Simba ni nani? Netaya. Asante. Now I have two requests here. Number one, for the students who performed, I want to request Mheshimiwa Bagaka. Mashujaa Day is on Friday. I will go home and make sure they perform in front of the governor. But before they perform in front of the governor, make sure they have new uniforms and perform costumes. So that you can be the most beautiful ones in front of the governor. Yes. Senor? Yes. Make sure they have those things before Thursday, so Friday they come and perform. And the request of school bus. You know, there's two governments, the national government and the county government. The county government, which Mheshimiwa Bagaka presents, they cannot buy your bus. But your member of parliament can. but maybe he doesn't have money. I can promise, if Mheshimiwa Bagaka organizes a fundraising, I will come and bring you the donation of governor so that we can see how we can help you and get a bus. Are you okay now? Yes. So we can start our program of giving you the gifts from the governor. Mheshimiwa Sonia, now that you have come late, come and say hi and we proceed.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Oh, as you have heard, I'm Mheshimiwa Sonia Joseph Ondari from Sameta Mukwerero. That's good you have done. Ile kitu tu tunawaombea mfanye vizuri katika mtihani wenu, si ndio? Kwa vile His Excellency is talking, I don't want to get into so many things. Let me say this. I'm giving them 5,000 as our promise is, and we proceed on.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. I'm waiting for the money. Yes. Can you clap for Mheshimiwa Sonia? I will give to the principal of the secondary school. And now we are starting to give the gifts which I brought from Governor Simba Arati. And no, this is from Governor, his pocket, not from the money of the county. I want class 6. Grade 6.
Mnawacha stress. Chini. Girls wa secondary ngojeni kwanza, wa secondary.
Okay, success. Sedin. Nini cik? Ada masa ini. Ama. Apa ni saw? Tiga. Yes, Anderson Tundende aiki ya kabere kuika ase bunge ya Bubasi ne county ya Kisii. Sikirimo twabekere kambiri tukulitangani tukola chumugiti kirimo ose tukola Jumatatu ekero mu facility county ya Kisii. Mei kwambuka arati gochugo ta school chikutoka se constituency eyiga ya Bubasi. Yego toka ime county ya Kisii ase eki ya kabere mwaga yo gukora kuba ase ebunge ya South Mugrango. Tukikola rero tukira se school ntangani ya se school group yaba isike group Johnson Girls anene mono kwenekia ngangwikira ni bare kuganirya abana bacokora matemo asomo koiga kubaganirya maya eliogo chungitsana sasa matemo abo a class ya gatano na gatatu na form 4s ine yo makoiga bikroboniga nigo facility iri bagarya bene ukwana amona abana abanyarukana anene mono kubasigeta kuchukokora umuki na anene mono egendo tukubairira mono kwenekenga ngogendera bare amo na amasomo abo eri kugendera guti asitinsa mo cyago chimuto korengana ne agenda tuboniga ne first lady kwena na success card guti asiti form 4s abana ba class 8 amo na grade 4 abocho koroma temu abo asemo koiga gwetira asum governor we county ya Kisii umuske Paul Simba Arati wikraboniga yanege anemono igen tukende kona no ase rich koda rero geometrical sets gocha asabana banyaruka amuna sanitary parts ose towels gocha ase abana banyaruka igen duchikuba konya anemono baro chokora matemu abo asomwa koiga gotachikuba gusumbuka ose gutwara emechando au igo egochikwera ase ekiga ya kabere anemono ase rich koda gali rero iro chikwanekia naki kwanekia rich koda rero ase korengana mnagase no kwa rali tukula rero nelinga ase AK rali rero nelinga umugavana we county ya Kisii umuske Paul Simba Arati ko chikonekia amangana osi ko chokorekana asenchera ya bene skuru ya gyose rigasi ene skuru ya beire skuru ya entangani ime ye constituency ya Bubasi tingote enchero kecho na sengencho ya disturbance ya abana banyaruka wocha asensemeiga ere ko bayerekere ya kigima asali agenderete asensemeiga igo risikoria rero bafite information kuri asomo governor we county ya Kisii gwetera se first lady oyole Mei kwambuka Arati na anene mono kwenekia sengencho yetsikuru chonse kutoka Mei county ya Kisii kuganira abana ba class ya gatano gatatu abana form 4 na grade 4 kubaganira maya sengencho yoshokora amatemu abo asetukeriga asokuba kwani ngomba te success card kuba asomo governor we county ya Kisii oyo kutuma amangana egochya ase abana bonsipi osaborokiwa bari chokora amatemu abo ase omwakoiga nchokuira wetera ase a success card information and the message yere ase kadiga itiko eriga ariarero na anene mono gutukura school twenda ase school ende wetera ase ariagenderete ase boniga wishing you success in your exams to all candidates. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do anything because you have the ability. Whatever what you put your mind to, good luck, you can do it. Good luck. I wish you all the best in your exams. May your hard work, commitment, and dedication bring you to success. His Excellency Governor Paul Simba Arati. And this is the information and the message from the governor to all the students in the old county of Kisii County as so today, Yonse Girls marks the first school in Miabubas constituency to Kodarero, Sukuta school au waitera as a constituency na kwenda kia nga weekend twere mangana ayiga information na kuganiria abana gukora buya waitera as ensameiga no butambi no mwete mo CS for education ime ense ya Kenya niga kuruko Ezekiel Machogu ojo kurekorwa as a county ya Kisii na nimono wetera asumu governor we county ya Kisii amuna first lady uchikwenda kia ngangwe kirani bare amangana iga kuganira bana maya asocho kora matemu abo na kubachi promise echigo chikuba omoyo kora matemu abo bya asumu ko iga 2023 kuri nasiboniga ngetu kendere saboniga no kona na success cards kona sanitary towels and geometrical sets to all candidates wherever to saransa matemu abo asumu ko iga Muna butambe mchenguru kunito Dennis osera mwancho na ngeri kuntu behind the camera udoko make sure everything is well niko akuri kwa Alfred Musa udoko wekira nchibi cha AMO ASEMO kurwa ASENSEMEGA kurende neto bota ne masa AMO asari again rete from this ground ASENSEME first lady ekaraga sene kwana na evento sanitary parts ose towel geometrical sets amon endo tokuruka success cards which are all candidates wa Umakoiga. Park the studio ASENSEMEGA tukwariganira mangi chinsa chapadai.
Wanasema
We must succeed.
We must succeed.
Thank you.
Tuketi chini.
Kiketi chini dakika moja. Tafadhali. We request you to be silent, please. Tutulie kidogo. Kindly let us maintain silence, please. Nani yule anaongea? Utanirudishia hiyo nini? Hiyo. Tell your neighbor to keep quiet. Yeah.
Please wasichana, kaeni tu. Tuwe watulivu. Those others please who are talking. Nyamaza, nyamaza please. Nyamaza please. Bwana nasema nyamaza, wewe unaanza kuongea. Sharon, toka njiani. Kaeni. Say one time please.
Hello? Are you happy now? Yes. Allow me to leave as I go to another school and say hi to other students. But I left you with soda and the bread. You enjoy yourself. Yeah. Thank you so much and have a nice afternoon.